Hey, what's up, guys? Today we are on PUBG Mobile and we are talking about how we are going to change our region. Now, you'll find that this is actually really simple. All we need to do is connect to a VPN, but there is a catch, and that is that, okay, follow with me. Go to the bottom right of the screen, and that'll bring up the sidebar, and you just want to go into settings. And now you'll see in settings, they are region settings, but they are locked for 30 days. I did just make this account, but once you change your region, you always have to wait before doing it again. If you just want to change the server, that option is available. Just they would generally put you on the best server or close to the best. So once your 30 days is up, all you want to do is go and grab a VPN. I just took this free one, Turbo VPN. And in Turbo VPN, on the top right of the screen, you'll see there's a globe. You can choose whichever region, country you want. But if it's already set up, or if you're finished setting it up, then all you need to do is click right over here. A good old friend Turbo will start doing his thing, and once he's done, he's gonna brag about it. And this random black screen is apparently just an ad. But now your VPN is running, and for me, it'll be changed to the United States. Now, again, I have to wait the 30 days, nothing you can do about that. But this would be the step, and then you would just go back into the settings and you'd be able to change your region to the one set on your VPN. And that's about all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.